I don't think I can do speech tonight. Have you ever felt like this?
Yes.
Yes. We all make mistakes. We all have difficult moments. We all want to give up sometimes. But what do we do in these situations? We use determination. That's what we do here in Toastmasters. We all use determination because we all want to improve our public speaking skills. However, sometimes we have difficult moments. It happened to me 2 weeks ago. I was finishing my speech and I realized there is no point. What's the point of my speech? So I started deleting, I started adding, I started changing, but nothing was working. I was completely blocked. I started to hear nagging voice in my hair. You are not good enough to write a good speech. You can't speak in public. This is simply not for you. It went on for a week. I could not adapt my speech. I had no other choice. I gave up. But no, obviously I'm here, so I didn't. And what made me go on? It was determination. Have you ever run a marathon? It's not carnivalesque. At the end, it looks like a battlefield. People are on the ground screaming. The Red Cross volunteers looking after the injured. And there I was, in the last 12 kilometers of the marathon. I had cramps on my thighs, I had cramps on my knees, I had cramps on my calf. But what made me finish? It was determination. Another time of my life when I had to use determination was when I applied for Saint-Cyr, the French Army Officers Academy. What was especially difficult was the fact that I was a student exchange in Peru back then. Selection was hard. Only 5 candidates per spot. But French Army is a typical French institution. It's carnivalesque. After having provided 30 documents, CV, online interviews, cover letter, they finally needed more. I was in the wilds of Bolivia, and they needed, more papers immediately. Perhaps my dream of getting to the officer army was over. But after looking for about 1 hour, I finally found an internet cafe. I called my mom in the middle of the night for her, and I asked her for the impossible, get the documents to the French army. What made her do it? It was determination.
Love.
Mom love.
But it was not over. As French Army is a French institution, I then had to go through medical, psychological, physical tests. But it had to be done in a military base in France 1 month before my initial date return from Peru. Back then, everybody was telling me that I was ready not to give up. Yeah, actually, everybody except for Anya. But, nor this inner voice, nor other people could make me stop. I had to do it. What made me go on? It was determination. But it was not over, so I had to convince all my teachers to change the date of the exam 1 month early. So they had to arrange an exam just for me. They had to arrange a room. They had to find supervisors. And they finally did it. They all agreed to do it. I talked to them one by one and they all did it. What made them do it? It was determination. But it was not the end. Then I had to get a flight, so I had to charge my flight, spend a fortune to charge my flight. I got to the airport. I arrived late because my flight was late by several hours. So I arrived minutes before the scheduled 2 days assessment. Obviously being late at the assessment meant not accepted, and all this effort made for nothing. But I arrived minutes before. I did all the tests. I did push-ups, I did pull-ups, I ran, and I ran again, and I aced it. I got selected to the school. What made me go on and do it? It was determination! So, things are sometimes difficult. They seem even to be impossible. But no, really, everything is possible. You can become a marathoner, you can become a Toastmaster World Champion, you can even become the French president. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve. All you need is a lot of work, probably a great mom, and above all, your determination. Thank you.